This is the second part of this XML series, and in this video I'm going to show you how to load XML from a string variable or from active cell. In this cell I have a very simple XML that has a catalog, and the catalog contains an array of plant, and that plant is an object with multiple different properties. Let me show you how can we load this from active cell. So I have already recorded another video, so if you haven't watched that, I'll put the link in the card or description so you can watch that again. So to load an XML from a file path, we can use this load method. But if you want to load from a string, then you can use this load XML and bstr XML as a string. So you can provide that XML as a string. So like active cell dot value or text. You can provide the text property as well. So let's see. Run this. Let's see ready state for, let's see the XML, and you can see this is the XML version 1.0 catalog, and then we have the plant and catalogs. So that's it. That's how we can load an XML from a string, or you can just create a variable. Actually, it's let me show you a variable as well. So team XML equals to active cell dot value, and then you can just pass that variable. So let me show you again. So let me run this again. XML doc.xml, and you can see we have that XML from a string variable. So where you can use this is basically, let's say you have an API that return you an XML, and you can store that XML as a string, and then you can load that XML using this load XML method. And then later on we can parse this and we can extract some information. Let's say I just need to know the price and the zone. Okay, so zone 4 and then price, zone 3 and then price. So we can do that manipulation later on. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any question. If you like the video, consider subscribing. Have a good day.